Notion's co-founder just dropped the news that a new update that overhauls the entire Notion sidebar is rolling out to users starting tomorrow. He also admits that internally they have been referring to this project as slippery slope, because an update to how users navigate around in Notion will impact all of the 100 million plus users directly. And in this video, we're going to take a closer look at this announcement to see what we can find out already. In his post, Akshay Kothari is also indirectly sharing a first glimpse at 2 other features that seem to be coming to Notion soon, so make sure to watch this one all the way to the end. My name is Benny and I'm helping thousands of Notion users on a daily basis to level up their Notion game and to improve their workflows with professional templates and tutorials. And now let's take a closer look at this announcement. Alright, now we are looking at the post from Akshay Kothari, Notion's co-founder, from a few hours ago, where he shared that a small crew at Notion got together to overhaul the sidebar and navigation in a project that they even called Slippery Slope, because it's gonna impact all of the millions of Notion users directly. But to his own surprise and delight, the team was able to ship something that is remarkably better than what we have today. And I think we're going to be the judges of that when we get to finally use this update. And in today's video, we are just going to take a look at the short video that he has shared to see what this looks like. I'm going to pause the video at times for us to take a closer look. And here I can already see that it seems like the sidebar has been split into 3 separate tabs. We have a home tab, a chat tab, which is probably going to Notion AI, and then the inbox with the workspace notifications seems to have moved from their own little extra sidebar pop-up menu into the sidebar directly. So this basically allows for the sidebar to be used in 3 different ways, making use of the space in different ways, which I'm sure we're going to see in a second. But the home tab seems to be the one where we, as usual, can see the pages that we have in the different sections, including favorites, team spaces. He already, of course, has access to the agents, and the upcoming meeting section, I assume, is also a new one. This is probably integrating well with Notion Calendar. So let's see how this continues. We have a new chat button also here in the bottom of the sidebar, which is pretty big. I assume this will open up a new AI chat, which then makes you think like, okay, we have a bubble down here in the bottom right, a button in the bottom left, and also the tab up here. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so this will open up the actual Notion AI chat. And now he's jumping into the chat tab. So this will then show us a chat history like what we are probably used to already from ChatGPT, Gemini, all the other AI tools. So we can jump back into the history of what we've been working with AI. I think it makes sense to allow the sidebar to be used in these different ways. And just as I suspected, the inbox notifications have been moved into the sidebar and taking up the space in here rather than having this extra pop-up menu. I think this makes a lot of sense to split the sidebar in this way. And now, before we go and continue with this video, I wanted to also show you another glimpse from another screenshot that I found from Max Schöning, who is also working at Notion HQ, I assume in UI UX. Because in this post, he's asking about how to use this specific new feature. So next to the new chat button, we will have our new button, which basically allows us to create a new page, new notes, a database, or custom agent, and potentially other things in the future. So this button is also here, which hasn't been shown in Akshay Kothari's video. And now let's go back to the video, because there's one more thing that we actually can see here in the last 3 seconds, which he didn't even mention. So now you can see he's scrolling down here into the section, which has the trash, the help button has moved up here now, the marketplace is here, the AI meetings have moved here, and now he's clicking on library, and this seems to be a new feature as well. And if you look at it closely, this seems to be a complete overview of the workspace, because we can recognize it also has the favorite section, it also has the shared section, the private section, team spaces, meetings. So I assume that this will be an overview of the entire Notion workspace, but instead of seeing just everything in the sidebar, you will be able to see it all in one view within the canvas and with extra details. So we will have a description here. We can see who has access, how many members, and all these kind of things. So I assume for the private pages, we will also be able to see our structure in here. So I'm looking forward to this for sure, because a Notion workspace can become very complex. And this this might help with easily seeing how everything connects, or even for navigation purposes if you're looking for something that's a bit more hidden. So I think library feature looks like a very neat addition. And the one last thing that I wanted to stop here is underneath of the library, you can also see a new tab, which I haven't been aware of before, which is called workers. And he also didn't mention this in here, but I found something interesting in this post on the website called Testing Catalog, that Notion is testing around with workers, where in this tab we can see workers will be used to extend your workspace with data syncing, custom automations and tools for your agents. And then some information about templates, where it says we can copy prompts and we can enable syncs, we can enable automations, we can enable agent tools. There's another screenshot in this post here where we can see some of the templates where you can copy a prompt and it tells us to copy prompt. So I assume this will allow us in the future to really achieve certain workflows, and maybe it be for synchronization, automation, or for connecting it with the agents to let things in Notion happen based on things that happen outside of Notion. So this is pretty interesting and a step from Notion directly to make the Notion workspace work on its own. I don't have any more specific details on this. I will share a link to this article in the description below this video if you're interested. I didn't make a deeper dive into this yet, but it's definitely interesting, so I also wanted to mention it because it was part of this little announcement video. So I took a closer look at everything. And just one last thing that I find interesting, you can definitely see Notion is pushing the AI usage. Just looking at this new update, we will have access to Notion AI in the top left, in the bottom left, and also in the bottom right, which I personally find a bit much. Like, do we really need to access Notion AI from every single corner of the workspace? Personally, for me, I find this integration in the bottom right pretty neat. I was a fan, but regardless, this update is mostly about the sidebar. Things are gonna be changing, and let's see what the final update will actually look like. I'm really curious to see what this new update will actually feel like in practical daily use, especially as someone who is a Notion power user, who is practically managing his entire personal life and creator business all in Notion, using my own system called ClarityOS, the ultimate workspace organization system and second brain for Notion. ClarityOS is not another everything on one page kind of template, and instead a foundational workspace system providing a clear structure for your sidebar that enables chaos-free workspace navigation. ClarityOS works with all Notion plans, including the free plan, and comes with a simple 14-day money-back guarantee. Real Notion users are saying that this is hands down the best Notion template they've ever used, that its attention to detail, aesthetics, intuitive ease of use, and sheer practicality are absolutely next level, and that ClarityOS has been a much-needed Notion dashboard that helps them focus without over-engineering all of their processes. If you want to learn more about ClarityOS, make sure to click the link in the description below this video. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this new update that's probably coming to your workspace as well very soon. It seems like Notion is working on many different fronts right now, pushing new features left and right, and I'll try my best to keep you up to date whenever I see something exciting. So make sure to stay tuned, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one.